Hi and welcome to HOWTECH Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to create a Facebook account. Facebook is a social media and networking platform. To access the services offered by Facebook, you need to create an account. You can log into facebook.com and on the home page, click on the Create New Account button to get started with the registration process. The sign-up form will open up where you would be required to enter the first and last name, the phone number or email address that you want to associate your Facebook profile with, along with the password you want to keep for your profile. After that, you can enter your date of birth and select your gender. For the gender, you can also select the custom option and choose a pronoun from the options available. Once done with the form, simply click on the Sign Up button. A confirmation code will be sent to you via email. Once you have opened the email received from Facebook, you can choose to copy and paste this code in Facebook or click on Confirm Your Account to move on with the process. Once done, your profile would be created and you would be logged in Facebook. Now you can move to the profile section and start filling out your bio. That's all. Would you like to know about any particular Facebook feature? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.